Hi friends, welcome to Sada Learning Hub. You are with me Shadasharav. Today's session we are going to learn the most important Java interview questions. The first question is it necessary that each try block must be followed by the catch block? It is not necessary that each try block must be followed by the catch block. It should be followed by either catch block or finally blocks. And whatever exceptions are likely to be thrown should be declared in the throws clause of the method. Try block it's it is not necessary that each try block must be followed by the catch block. It should be followed by either catch block or it's a finally block. The next question is, if I write return at the end of the try block, will the finally block still execute? Yes, even if you've written as the last statement in the try block and no exception occurs, the finally block will be executed. The finally block will executed and then the control returns. So even if you write return at the last statement in the try block and no exception occurs, the finally block will be executed. The next question is, if I write a system.exit of 0 at the end of the try block, will the finally block still execute? No. In this case, the finally block will not execute because when you say system.exit of 0, the control immediately goes out of the program and thus finally never executes. Whenever you are written system.exit of 0, the finally block doesn't execute. The next question is, what is exception handling? Exception handling is the mechanism to handle the runtime errors. It is mainly used to handle the checked exceptions. And next question is, what is the difference between checked exceptions and unchecked exceptions? Checked exceptions, the classes that extends throwable class except runtime exceptions and errors are known as checked exceptions. For example, IO exception and SQL exception, etc. Checked exceptions are checked at compile time. Now, unchecked exceptions. The classes that extended from runtime exceptions are known as unchecked exceptions. Those are arithmetic exception and null pointer exceptions, etc. Unchecked exceptions are not checked at compile time. Finally, checked exceptions are checked at compile time and unchecked exceptions are not checked at compile time. The next question is, what is the base class of error and exception? The base class of error and exception is throwable. Throwable is the base class of error and exception. And the next question is, can an exception be rethrown? Yes, it's possible to do the exception will be rethrown by using throws keyword. The next question is, can a subclass overriding methods declared an exception if a parent class method doesn't throw an exception? Yes, but only unchecked exceptions is not checked. Can subclass overriding method declare an exception if parent class method doesn't throw an exception? Yes, but only unchecked exceptions are not checked. The next question is, what is the exception propagation? The exception propagation is forwarding the exception object to the invoking the methods is known as exception for propagation. If you see this example, I'm calling here, this is the public static void main. Here I'm calling the method one. In this method one, the controller is comes to here. Here I'm calling the one more method two. Again, it calls the when go to the method two, and here I'm calling method t method 3, and the cursor will be comes into the method 3. Here I am throwing the null pointer exception. Immediately it goes back to exception propagated like this. This is called exception propagation. The next question is it possible to start the thread twice? No, it's not possible to start the thread twice. There is no possibility to start the thread twice. If does, it throws an exception. If you try to start the thread twice, it will throw the exception.
Thank you so much watching this video. Hope this lesson helpful to you. Keep watching our lessons. Keep writing to us. Do not forget subscribe our channel Learning Hub because we have many sessions that would help you to develop our skills, and I will be back soon. Till then you take care. Bye bye.